Today I'll be taking you guys along. We have so many things to do today, from going to school to get some books and other house chores.
Lights so warm, coffee brewing like so charm. Little heads and minds so tight. Every moment feels so right. Laundry piles and scattered toys.
Goslin, say hi.
Simple joys.
Say subscribe to our YouTube channel.
These moments, memories lay. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere. Sunsets paint the sky above. Life is full when lived with love. From first steps to schoolyard plays, grateful for these precious days. Through the ups and downs we roll, in this house we make our home. Laugh and cry, then start anew. Family ties will see us through. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
The ups and downs we roam, in this house we make our home. Laugh and cry, then start anew. Family ties will see us through.
Are you done with it? Turn our
In the morning, lights so warm, coffee brewing like a charm. Little hands and minds so tight. Every moment feels so right. Laundry piles and scattered toys. Endless tasks but simple joys.
This is a magic door. A magic door. So of a candy.
Put on your shoe.
Mama's love is pure and strong.
Yes, wait, okay, put on your
Life's a
socks.
song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
Let's go arrange my room.
Sunsets paint the sky above. Life is full when lived with love. From first steps to schoolyard plays, grateful for these precious days. Through the ups and downs we roll, in this house we make our home. Laugh and cry, then start anew. Family ties will see us through. Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer,
Okay,
fill the heart with
it's
love
okay.
sincere.
And the camera is not even on. Yeah, true. We are headed to the school right now. We want to go get some textbooks.
You want to buy a new textbooks.
Good job.
It should be great too.
Okay, you are going to grade 2 class?
Yes.
Okay.
Mama's love, it's pure and
You're
strong.
going to be in grade 1 now.
Yeah.
Are you excited about your new class?
Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
In the car, then you put it in the bag. Okay, let's go. Don't fall down.
And down we roam.
He's here, guys. Come, let's go.
Family ties will see us through.
Let's go, let's go. Chigozim, can you drop this thing? Yeah, 27. Yeah, our taxi is coming. He's here already.
Coffee brewing, life's a
Children, slow down, slow down.
life's a charm.
Let's check the number again. 27, okay. Let's go. What happened? Okay. Okay, go. Go inside. One after the other, slowly.
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos,
Okay.
life's a song. Every
Yeah, follow the location.
every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
This S is going now.
Sunsets paint the sky.
Oh no.
Life is full when
Because it's so much.
Sunny.
from first steps to
Go away, Sunny.
grateful for these precious days.
This is
Ups and downs we
What? School? Is this your school?
laugh and cry then
So you know your school?
family ties will see us through.
Okay.
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
Okay. You want to be out? You have change, right? Okay. Come. Mama, come. Chigo.
Yellow school.
Okay, thank you. Do you like it?
Yeah.
This is water.
Mama's love, it's pure
This is water for field, right? Field water.
the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer, fill the heart with love sincere.
It's okay. Enough. See, entrance. Just be going straight. Go, be going straight. Chicos, here.
And downs we roam. In this house we make our home.
Aya, son. It's okay, be going. You don't want to be my friend anymore? Jesus, so many people are here, guys. Guys, people are too much. I did not expect this. People are too much. Parents that came to collect books, guys. Oh my goodness. Are we going today? Jesus. The queue is too much. This is the book counter. Oh my goodness. Guys, we are so tired. I did not not expect it. Like people, we are too much. This is on our way going home.
Yes.
Friends that came to collect books for their kids also. Sorry, I couldn't capture the time we were getting our books. Like everywhere was so loud, I couldn't even make any video. Oh my goodness. So, want to say hi?
Hi. We're going home. Dubai. What did we buy now?
Mama's love, it's pure and strong. Through the chaos, life's a song. Every hug and every cheer fill the heart with love sincere.
Okay guys, I want to arrange the books. One for my daughter in grade 2, and this one is for my son in grade 1. Okay guys, we're going to arrange them, write down their names, and then pack them in their school bag. In readiness for tomorrow, guys. In readiness for tomorrow. Who is excited to go to school?